Good morning, Spoonie fam. Oh, just wanted to give you guys an update. They still don't know what's wrong. Good days and bad days. Some days I walk with the walker, although I haven't in the past 3 weeks, really. I can furniture walk, and some days it's better. You know, I don't need anything, but so random. Today we're supposed to go to a realtor Christmas party thing at be about 45 minutes away at 2 o'clock. And I don't feel like going. My body hurts everywhere. My legs are like, I have tremors today, which is really weird. Yesterday they were just weak and hurting. But today it's like tremors, even when I'm staying still. So I'm going to take a nap. And you know, I love this YouTube community because it lets us go out and do things with other people that we wouldn't normally be able to do. Living life vicariously through them, you know. I don't know, I watch all these people and they get to go out and do stuff and go to work, and you know, they're talking about their job and how there was so much to do. And I think back early on, if you look back on this channel, that used to be me. I was working 3 jobs and gardening and taking care of ducks and chickens, and then this thing hit. It's like the fibro took a turn for the worse last December, and it was manageable for about like 12 or 13 years. I worked like 2 part-time jobs, sometimes as many as 4, which was too much. I had to give 1 up, so then I only worked 3 for about a year. But now I can't like count on my body to cooperate at all. Yesterday we went grocery shopping and did a little bit of Christmas shopping, and I was so done by the end of the day. I was in so much pain and just exhausted, you know. So I think this is residual from that. I'm better if I just pace myself throughout the day in the house. For some reason, it's harder to walk out in the world than it is in my house, which doesn't make much sense, but I don't know. I was just talking to a girl online. If you don't know, I follow tarot and like the witchy community on YouTube. And she has some of the same issues. She's a Spoonie too. And we were saying how frustrated we were. You know, our minds want to do all these things and see all these things that we want to try and places we want to go, and sorry. Our bodies just they don't cooperate, and it's so frustrating. I get tired and I get depressed, but I want to let you guys know that you're not alone, and we all go through days like this. And tomorrow will be better. You know, and if it isn't, just hang on. You'll have a great day. You just gotta hang on for it. I'm always available for chat, usually. Unless I'm doing dishes or something, shopping with the hubby. He usually drives me everywhere now, so. Anywho, yeah, just give me a ring. Look up on my Facebook page, too, if you want to. Debbie Cloutier, Cloutier -Boyce, Boyce. And that's me on Facebook, if you want to connect there. And chat through Messenger. And, you know, if you just need a shoulder or an ear, somebody to vent to that understands what you're going through, instead of thinking that you're faking it or, you know, you don't look sick type of thing. I hate that.
Well, Ginger's got it made, but Rocky did
Oh, hubby's here.
took the blanket
Bye.
out of the dryer.